Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence or AI might one day surpass human intelligence? It's a thought that might have crossed your mind given the rapid pace at which AI is advancing. In just a few decades, we've seen AI evolve from a concept in science fiction to a reality that's deeply integrated into our daily lives. From answering our questions with virtual assistants to driving our cars to even diagnosing our health conditions, AI's capabilities are expanding at an unprecedented rate. Yet, as with any powerful tool, AI's potential to outperform human intelligence brings with it a host of questions, concerns, and indeed, a sense of awe. As we stand on this precipice of technological advancement, it's crucial to consider the implications. It's not just about what AI can do, but also what it should do. As we delve into the world of AI, let's weigh the pros and cons. AI, a term that sends waves of excitement and curiosity among tech enthusiasts, holds immense potential. Unleashing this potential, we see AI's impressive capacity to handle vast oceans of data. In a world where data is being generated at a breakneck pace, AI steps in as the ultimate data wrangler. It sifts, sorts, and analyzes, making sense of the data deluge in ways that human minds could never manage. But AI doesn't stop at data management. It takes a leap further, making predictions that guide decision-making across numerous sectors. Whether it's predicting weather patterns to aid farmers or forecasting market trends for investors, AI is the crystal ball of the modern age. And let's not forget about automation. AI is the mastermind behind self-driving cars and automated customer service, freeing up human time for more creative and complex tasks. It's the silent worker, tirelessly performing tasks round the clock, enhancing efficiency in ways we could only dream of in the past. The realm of education, too, isn't untouched by AI's magic. Intelligent tutoring systems, personalized learning paths, automated grading systems, all these AI innovations are revolutionizing the way we learn, making education more accessible, personalized, and effective. With all these advantages, it might seem like AI is the future. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Despite its many benefits, AI is not without its drawbacks. This is a reality we must acknowledge as we continue to integrate this technology into our everyday lives. Let's delve into some of these issues. Firstly, the rise of AI has led to concerns about job displacement due to automation. With AI systems capable of performing tasks previously done by humans, from driving trucks to diagnosing diseases, there is a fear that millions of jobs could be at risk. This could lead to an economic upheaval, with people being forced to reskill in order to remain relevant in the job market. Secondly, there's the risk of AI systems making decisions without adequate human oversight. As AI becomes more autonomous, the decisions it makes could have significant consequences, particularly in areas such as healthcare or the military. The fear is that these systems may make choices that humans would deem unethical or inappropriate. Lastly, ethical issues surrounding AI technology are a major concern. With AI systems becoming more prevalent, issues like privacy infringement and data misuse are becoming increasingly pertinent. This brings us to question, who is responsible when AI goes wrong? Is it the creators, the users, or the AI itself? Clearly, AI has its shares of highs and lows. It's a double-edged sword that we need to wield with caution. As we continue to advance in this field, it is critical that we address these issues head-on, ensuring that the benefits of AI do not come at an unmanageable cost. So, where does this leave us? We've toured the bright and dark sides of AI, marveling at its potential and shuddering at its pitfalls. What's clear is that we need a balanced approach to AI development and usage. Balance in this context means leveraging AI's potential to solve complex problems, while also being mindful of its potential to disrupt societal norms and infringe on personal freedoms. Educators have a significant role in shaping this balance. They are the ones who will teach the next generation of AI developers and users. They will instill in them the ethical practices that will guide AI development in the future. They will show them how to use AI to augment human capabilities, not replace them. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, remember this: it's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting human capabilities. This is the balance we need to strive for.